Good morning, students. Today we will be learn some more example of exponents which are very important. This is example number 16 of your book R.S. Agarwal. What number should be minus 15 to the power minus 1 be divided so that the quotient is this one. There are two type questions are there. One is equal what number should be multiplied and what number should be divided. So suppose he is asking by what number we have to multiply with 4 to get 12. So to get the number missing number any one of them, we have to divide their product by the given number. And when it is given that by which number we have to divide to get quotient 3. So if you want to find this number, then you divide the dividend by the quotient to get the divisor. So here we have the dividend. So this is minus 15 to the power minus 1 is the dividend, minus 5 to the power minus 1 is the quotient. So to get a divisor, you divide. We can let the number what need to be find. So divide this one by x, get minus 5 to the power minus 1. Then you can write it in this way. Then x is equal to minus 5 can divide this number. We can write it in this side. So to make it positive, minus 5 goes in numerator and minus 15 goes to in denominator. Minus cancel to minus and get 5 cancel to 15, get 1 upon 3. So required number is equal to required number is equal to 1 upon 3. Now the next example number 17. Very important example is this. There are 3 parts. Example number 17. First part, question is evaluate. First part, 5 to the power 0. If any exponent have power 0, its value always 1. Second, minus 6 to the power 0. Either the positive or negative exponents. If the exponent is 0, then value is always 1. And the third part, 2 to the power 0 plus 3 to the power 0 is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 answer. Now the example number 18. Example 18. Also verify, very important, simplify. Simplify करना है. So I will start it from the solution. I will write the questions here. 10 multiply 5 to the power n plus 1 plus 25 multiply 5 to the power n upon 3 multiply 5 to the power n plus 2 plus 10 multiply 5 to the power n plus 1. To simplify this one, 5n plus 1 can write, जब तक हम इसकी पावर को रिमूव नहीं करेंगे, दिस इज द अननोन नंबर, सो वी कैन राइट इट इन दिस वे. 5 टू द पावर n, 5 टू द पावर n प्लस 1 को हम 5 टू द पावर n इंटू 5 लिख सकते हैं. Similarly for other cases, so many are there, plus 25 into 5 to the power n अपॉन 3 मल्टीप्लाई 5 टू द पावर n मल्टीप्लाई 5 टू द पावर 2 प्लस 10 मल्टीप्लाई 5 to the power n into 5. Now you can see 5 to the power n is common in both, in diameter also. So what we can do, we can take 5 to the power n is common in numerator. So get 10 into 5, these two are multiplying, then plus 25 upon 5 to the power n also is common. 3 multiply 5 to the power 2 25, 3 is 75, or you can write 3 into 25 plus 10 into 5. तो फॉलो द बोर्डमास रूल, ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा दोनों, इक्वल टू 10 5 50 और 25 75, 75 और 50 125, 25 3 जा और 5 जा इक्वल टू 3/5 with the answer. Now the next example. Number 19. Example 19. Again there is the same questions. Solution लिखेंगे. So this is the question. 9 multiply 3 to the power n, question you can see in the book, is equal to 3 to the power 6. We have to find the value of n. So this is also the different question. You can express all as the power base 2 in exponential form. So 9 can write 3 to the power 2, 3 to the power n is equal to 3 to the power 6. Base are same, so power can add 2 plus n is equal to 3 to the power 6. Reason देंगे since base are same, so exponent also same. Therefore 2 plus n is equal to 6. So n is equal to 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Answer. Next example. All the questions are based on examples. So I have solved all the examples, or so you can write, you can do the questions of the exercise taking help of the examples. Now example number 20. Example 20, 25 to the power, solution हम लिखेंगे 25 to the power n minus 1 plus 100 is equal to 5 to the power 2n minus 1. Here again we have to find the value of n. So this is the equation. We can express each as the base of 5. 25 can write as 5 to the power 2. It will multiply with n minus 1. 5 to the power, because we have to find the value of n, so you can transfer it into this side, is equal to minus 100. We have the power of power, so both power can be multiplied and get 2n minus 2 minus 5 to the power 2n minus 1 is equal to minus 100. This number can write 5 to the power 2n multiply 5 to the power minus 2 minus 5 to the power 2n into 5 to the power minus 1 is equal to minus 100. 5 to the power 2n we can take as common, get 5 to the power 2, इसको पॉजिटिव एक्सपोनेंट में 1/25, इसको 1/5 लिख देंगे, इज इक्वल टू minus 100. After simplification, 5 to the power 2n, 25 is the LCM, so get 1 minus 5 is equal to minus 100. So 5 to the power 2n into minus 4 upon 25 is equal to minus 100. So 5 to the power 2n is equal to minus 100 into 25 upon minus 4. माइनस से माइनस कैंसिल कर देंगे, 4 से कैंसिल हो जाएगा 25. सो वी कैन राइट 5 to the power 2n is equal to 5 to the power 2. 5 to the power 2 is become 5 to the power 4. Now again you can give the same reason that base are same. Since base same, so exponent also same. So 2n is equal to 4. So 2 से cancel हो गया, n is equal to 2. Answer.